Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see what to do if your phone screen, your Android phone screen is flickering. So let us see some tips what to do then.
Well, the first thing that you have to check is whether your phone has some cracks on your screen or not. If you found some cracks, then it may be the cause for your screen to flicker. So first of all, check your screen whether it has some cracks or not. Well, the second tip is to restart your phone or reboot your phone, because there might be some background apps that might be causing the display drivers or the display software to flicker. Some kind of bugs or something that is going on in the background because of some unwanted apps or unwanted things going on in the background. So try to reboot or restart the phone and see whether that helps. Well, the third tip is try to reboot your phone in the safe mode. Well, in the safe mode, you will be only getting the apps those are off the phone. That is those apps which are originally loaded in your phone and not that you have downloaded from Google Play Store. So try to switch on your phone in safe mode. I have already made a video how to switch on your phone in safe mode. I will give the link in the description. Try to follow that and turn on or reboot your phone in safe mode. So it will at least make sure that no third-party apps or no downloaded apps are responsible for your screen flickering. Well, the fourth tip would be to disable the adaptive brightness. That is, in all the phone there would be some kind of settings to enable adaptive brightness or the brightness that changes according to the ambience light. So sometimes the hardware goes vary and it gets messed up and it behaves weirdly. So just try, if this adaptive brightness is on, try to switch it off so that you can be sure that it is not because of this feature of adaptive brightness that your phone is flickering. Well, the next tip would be to go to your settings and try to update your system, because sometimes some old OS or the old operating system would be a little bit messy and it would not adapt to newer kind of apps or newer kind of settings that are required for the phone to work. So just ensure that your systems are updated. You can see it's showing that your system is updated. So similarly, you can update your system to ensure that it is not because of your some system which has got some bugs or because of some old software that is loaded in the system which is not able to adapt newer apps or newer technologies. So try to update your system. And the last one would be, if nothing works, then you have to obviously go for your care, that is your brand professional who would check your phone and see why exactly your phone screen is flickering. So you can use this 5 to 6 tips first before going to a professional and see if it works. Then please comment it on the comment box of this video, and if something else also works, please write it in the comment box. I'll also learn through you how these things are working or getting solved. It'll be quite a learning experience for me as well. So friends, I hope this video was quite useful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and please do share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such videos. So keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.